before the first kingdom.
Every civilization remembers the water. Not a storm, not a season of rain, but a flood so devastating that it divided history into before and after. From Mesopotamia to ancient Israel, to Arabia, to India, to the Americas, stories echo the same warning. The world was destroyed. In the book of Genesis, chapter 6, we are told the earth was filled with violence. In the Quran, Surah Hud, the people of Noah reject warning after warning. But the flood story does not belong to one tradition alone. In the British Museum rests a clay tablet older than the biblical manuscript tradition, the Epic of Gilgamesh. In it, a man named Utnapishtim survives a catastrophic flood sent to destroy humanity. Why would separate civilizations preserve the same terrifying memory? In the 1920s, British archaeologist Sir Leonard Woolley excavated the ancient city of Ur in Mesopotamia. Beneath the city's ruins, he discovered a thick layer of silt, a flood deposit. Similar layers were later found in Shuruppak and Kish, ancient Sumerian cities. Radiocarbon dating suggests severe flooding events occurred around 2900 BCE. Not myth, but geological reality. In 1997, geologists William Ryan and Walter Pittman proposed the Black Sea Deluge hypothesis. They suggested that rising Mediterranean waters broke through the Bosporus Strait, flooding vast lands rapidly. If true, entire communities could have vanished in weeks. Imagine standing on dry land, hearing a distant roar, watching the horizon darken, then seeing water advancing faster than a man could run. For early humanity, the flood was not simply destruction, it was judgment. In Genesis, Noah builds an ark over decades while mocked by his people. In the Quran, Nuh calls his people for 950 years, and when the waters came, even his own son refused to believe. The story is not merely about rain, it is about warning ignored. If catastrophic flooding reshaped ancient Mesopotamia, if coastlines shifted after the last ice age, if sea levels rose over 120 meters in 10,000 years, what lies beneath the oceans today? Off the coast of India lies the submerged site of Dwarka. Near Japan, the Yonaguni structure rests beneath the sea, its origin debated by scientists. Are these natural formations or fragments of drowned civilizations? Göbekli Tepe predates known kingdoms. Flood deposits confirm catastrophic events. Ancient texts across cultures describe divine warning and survival. Individually, these are mysteries. Together, they suggest something greater. Perhaps the first kingdom was not humanity's beginning. Perhaps it was humanity's second attempt. If the flood erased the world before kings, who rebuilt after the waters receded? And what knowledge did they carry with them? Next, we search the desert for a kingdom swallowed by sand.
Before the crown, there was memory.